plants that give off alarm signals, fiber optic design in the ocean depths. So first of all, photosynthesis is a process whereby green plants turn light into carbohydrates. So photosynthesis is a complex process, so we'll just simplify the discussion. So scientists are researching on the chloroplast function so that tiny solar batteries will be able to operate equipment requiring a great deal of energy. So scientists are researching about the how does chloroplast really work so that they could replicate it in spacecraft and artificial satellites will be able to operate using solar energy alone with no need for any other energy source. So this is how photosynthesis works. So carbon dioxide and water are uh, kinuha siya ng plant, then pupunta siya sa, magko-combine siya sa chloroplast, then with using the energy from the sun as a fuel, magpuproduce ito ng oxygen tsaka sugar na means ng paglaki ng plant. So protected surfaces. Plants produce substances to protect their surfaces against external damage. So, ang mamaya may example kung ano ito. So, leaves are covered with a thin polished coating that waterproofs the plant. So, yung protection na yun is essential kasi pag yung water ay pumasok dun sa leaf at pag dumami yung tubig, so yung rate ng photosynthesis will go down kasi walang protection. So ito yung example. The constantly self-cleaning lotus. Yung lotus plant, nakakita na ba kayo ng lotus plant? Lotus plant makes its leaves clean of dirt by leaving it to accumulate in one place to be washed out by the raindrops. This property of the lotus plant led to the making of lotus sun, a house paint. Imitating the lotus, the paint cleans the wall through the aid of the rain or water. So ito yung lotus plant. Tapos, dinaya siya nung company na gumawa ng paint para ma-clean yung pader. So, pag may tubig na gumulong, madadali yung dirt. So, may video na may video kami papakita. So, yan yung ad nung paint. So, yun yung nangyayari dun sa so, next we'll discuss about Velcro. So, it is a classic example of biomimetic. So, same principle as those burrs that stick to stumps in a walk-through consists of two components, typically two linear fabric strips which are attached to the opposing surfaces to be fastened. The first component features tiny hooks. The second features even smaller inferior loops. So,